Steer, bro. We're almost here, bro. Steer.
Yeah,
Almost here, almost here, almost here.
So now this is your...
Hey, everybody. This is Chief's boat. I'm on it right now. It's really good. As you can see here, we got a paddleboard here. We got 3 paddleboards. I'm currently on top of the boat right now, and right here is a sail, and that's the front sail right there. And here are the lifelines because they protect you. They protect your life, you know. They like are meant to protect your life, so they're called lifelines, you know. And then this is like the true holy grail. If you're trying to walk around here, you use these to steady yourself. Right now it's on. We're not going to be sailing quite yet because we're waiting for this boat to get back so we can get ready. And yeah, let me show you guys. Be very careful when I'm moving around here. Right there is inside. It's like a room that we're gonna be sleeping in right here. You can see here. It's like a V. It's like a V-shaped bed. And then more, if you go more in there, there's like a bathroom, a really small one. I'll show you guys that in a minute here. But yeah. So go here. Got like a ton of boats here. And here is the back of the boat. I haven't shown you this Canadian flag. Now, I have to be careful because I don't want to fall in, so. Showing my camera everything. We are inside the boat right now. Now it's kind of loud, but it's pretty cool. It's actually relatively big here. We have a kitchen, we have a stove here, we have a sink, a freezer. This right here is actually a bed, but it just has a ton of stuff on it right now. But it is going to turn into a bed later. Here are 2 couches, which are also going to double as beds. And here's that the V-shaped bed that I was talking about earlier. It's got stuff on it too. Looks pretty good. That's the hatch we were looking up out of. And then right here is the bathroom. It's that small. It probably doesn't look that small on camera, but it really is small. We're going to have to sleep on the floor because we've got 5 people here today. There's also a mini bar right here too. You'll see right here. Mini bar right here. And then this actually folds out into a much bigger table too. So we're gonna be sailing soon. So I'm gonna go back up and I'll start recording when we're about to sail.
Off we go.
Alright, yep. I can pull it now. Alright guys, so we're going. I'm moving really fast, yeah. Yeah, let's let them do everything just because they like know. Oh, they've done this before many times, so. As you guys can see here, we have a very good view of.
We have life jackets for everybody. And the life blocker.
Yeah. And you have like that buoy too, right? That like can save people.
They're really cool to wear. They're really light and they're not bulky. When you actually fall in the water, they go.
Is it like triggered by any water?
It's triggered by being underwater this way.
So here's a sail, it's full down.
Yeah, or if you like pour water.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
So, if you're comfortable moving around,
Big soap. Come on up.
Might as well honestly I wanted to.
That's right.
So like you're also like 4 cameras get powered by the sun too, you know, so it only makes sense to use the power like electric. Well, over here, it's not very much.
Well, it's rained quite a bit. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's very. What? What? Want a donut? My hands are too hard to here right now, but once they are less covered, yes, I will have one.
We have a chocolate place that are about to
Here, up there, here, as you guys can see here, we have a Kenora here. And we have all this cool forest ahead of us because we are in Ontario right now, not Manitoba where I actually live. So in Ontario here we have a ton of mountains. Manitoba, it's the opposite. We got a lot of prairies. So it's something that I'm not fully used to yet. This wind is like truly my just the forest. This wind is truly my savior though.
Yeah.
Because a lot of them we be like melting. Okay, everybody, so we are now very far out, and it looks very I can't even really see much at this point. It's like it looks almost like it's like it looks almost like we're in the middle of nowhere almost, because the closest stuff is barely even that stuff. It's gonna take a while for us to truly get to. And if we do end up on our sail today, then it's gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be very sketchy, but it's gonna be cool. And I think something's going on right now because we I thought we were turning around, but it turns out we aren't.
Okay, wonderful people. I'm going to put up a sail.
Yeah, okay.
We need to move it all?
Nope. I'm putting up the back sail is called the main sail.
Okay.
And this is the Kenora. It's already up, but we're going to leave it kind of rolled up for a while. When it goes up, we're going to turn the boat that way, and the boat's going to start heeling this way. But your curve can be. This is the cool thing. It's a keel boat. It doesn't tip over. It tips, but it doesn't tip over. You can lean against this. You can sit wherever is comfortable. One of the things I like to do for this, when it's heeling, let's say the boat was heeling with the wheel on the side. Yeah.
Okay, so as you guys can see here, I'm lying down because Keith told me I can do this, so I'm doing it. A bit weird, but I like it. Sounds right, but it's not blinding. I gotta make sure I don't fall in though, because I could easily roll through this crack. The camera will not fall in the water because it's on a strap. It's honestly kind of flat to me. So if it was like normal, I probably would be at risk of falling in, but here I'm better. In like 5 minutes, I'm gonna have to get back up though because we gotta turn the boat around. We've been going forward this entire time. So yeah, it's very windy now. I'll just do the movement, but. Hey everyone, so we're currently out right now. Really just trying to, I want to see how this room is. It's actually pretty comfy. Like this bed is huge. I like to have a wall, like I can sit on like that too if I have to. Like it's good. I can do everything I need to, you know. I also realized too that we aren't going to be coming back till tomorrow probably, because we're gonna be like, I thought we'd be going back, but I think we're gonna just anchor somewhere like on the beach or something and just hang out there for a while. We're not gonna go for much longer. Actually, we've been going for like an hour by now. I look like they haven't gotten seasick. I thought I would, but thankfully haven't, so that's nice. Alright, so we're about to be taking the sail down right now. Yeah. We're just starting up the motor too. Alright, let's go. I'm about to go do it right now. Hey, look at it. You guys can see here there's a lot of cool mountains here, and this little area I see right here. It's like a little gravel way, or like a beach maybe. And well, we're almost there now. For the most part, like we're gonna set up shop soon, 100%, because we want to. We've been waiting for like. We've been waiting for like 2 hours straight, so it's been kind of a long day, but we've been moving. I just cannot wait to swim because I'm tired from all this heat. Oh hey!
I'm gonna get changed. Don't look at me.
Yeah, well, that's the anchor right there. Wow, very big.
10 kilograms.
All right, that's me. That's quite a lot. So we're just gonna let it go right here.
Okay, neutral. Yep. A little more to the left.
Anchoring now.
And more power. And lots of power. Turn all the way to port, Dennis. Perfect. It's moving. It's doing it. Yep. Okay, you can slow down a bit. Let's just go straight back, like towards light wave.
Okay.
Okay, slow down.
Okay. You got the bottom?
Yeah, I'm just not sure how good a hook is up.
Almost anchored everybody here. We're almost anchored.
Okay, slow down in neutral.
We're in the school bay.
Okay.
Good.
Turn her off?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can make a noise.
We have anchored, Rob.
We've anchored, bruh?
We're anchored.
Like fully? Wow, okay. So like this is where we're gonna be staying, bro? Just like in this bay here?
Unless the weather changes a bunch, we're gonna stay here.
Alright. Okay, so I'm about to go in, as you guys can see here. It's about half.
awesome.
So is this it? Like, is this the last thing go?
Yeah, one more step. You can do a back drop. Yeah. After this, do you want to see my back drop? Yeah.
Okay, well, it feels great, surprisingly. And Kenora, it's like so cold still, so.
This is so warm. When you get in, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh. That's okay. I don't really take it off. Oh, and here we go. It's warm. It's this is your own.
Not really, actually. It's I gotta get used to it a little bit. Okay, yeah. I think I'm ready to go in there. So then, here, pass. I just pass, bro. Pass.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, there you go. Thank you.
That's a water gun that we just passed Robertson.
Wait, that's one. Is there a little setup here? Look at the sun. It's starting to get kind of low. Yep, a little bit. Alright guys, so as you guys can see here, it's starting, the sun is starting to set a little bit, as you guys can see right here. The gleam on the sky, on the ocean right here is very apparent here. And it looks better than ever out here, as you guys can see here. Paddleboards. I've already gone twice today. I'm about to go again. I'm about to go a third time after supper. Having hot dogs, so that's gonna be really good. So as you guys can see, the sun is setting. We're about to go for one last run on our paddleboard here. So yeah, the bit of it's like 9 o'clock now, but the bugs are gonna come up pretty soon, so we're gonna have to stay inside. Or like, but yeah, we're gonna be a bit colder, but I think we'll be fine. Yeah, I see it.
You're just looking at something.
I see it. I'm recording, bro. I'm recording. I got it. I got it. I can see it. Like I can see it more actually clearly on the camera than in real life.
It's not good. You're not gonna see a beaver, guys. It's too bad.
It's just like there's no dams out here that the beavers are trying to make.
Yeah, you're right, Rob. You're 100%.
So that's the thing. We're not gonna see any beavers just because of that reason. Alright, everybody. So I just swam for the 3rd time today. And it looks really nice out here. We have the moon. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. Look at that. And it looks really good. Did some paddleboarding. Keith was kind enough to put a fan here because we are going to need it. We're going to need it, trust me. We need a fan in here because it's going to be very hot inside. Even though it is going to get colder overnight, it's still not going to be like cold enough that we're going to be not boiling. So we need everything we can. And also, the sound of fan will help us to sleep. And we're going to have to leave pretty quickly in the morning tomorrow. We'll see. I'll have to see when I wake up. I heard that I can't really sleep in on, I can't really sleep in because, no, it's because, be careful. I can't really sleep in on a boat because it's like too rocky. All of you guys are dealing on the inside, but still my boomsy right now. I'm just kind of enjoying this. As you can see here, crazy things are going on right now. As you can see here, things are going really crazy. Because the Keith is making a chippy pop for whatever reason at this hour.
And he's
Hey everyone, so we are getting ready to go to bed right now. We're getting ready to go to bed right now. My my sleeping quarters. They look pretty cool, as you can see here. It's actually pretty big. It's bigger than a seriously electrical system too, while we're at it. And I'll check back in the game when we're like fully ready, but we're not fully ready. I am, but not everyone else is, so back in a minute. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys can see me right now, but we're about to go to bed. Like, we're literally about to go to bed right now. And it's gonna be an interesting day tomorrow, because we have to move pretty fast and all that, so yeah. We'll see you all tomorrow, I guess. I mean, like, it's been a very great day today, I'll say that, so that's nice. So, just woke up. Everybody's awake now. Yeah, it's like we have to be like going in like an hour and a half, but I'm just gonna lie down a bit before we start going. So I'm still not fully awake, so I'm just trying to wake up more. Hey everyone, so we're about to be leaving right now. It's like 9 o'clock, and we're unplugging the anchor up there right now, and then we're gonna be going. So yeah. We've been parking this bay for about like 12, 15 hours now, maybe 60 probably, I think it is. And we're going to be leaving it. We're going to just motor all the way back because we don't want to risk. We're not going to fail because it's just going to take me too long. So, yeah. Alright guys, we're backing in here. You guys can see. You guys can't, we're about to back into the harbor area.
It's 9:50 in the morning. I can see it as it's hard.
Surprises me, the boat that was in our anchorage came back to the dock last night.
Oh.
Following on the first dock over there.
Okay, well, it's hard, right? I'm assuming. It's gonna be like impossible to do, right? It's just like. And where did you even know which dock you're supposed to go to?
Well, I know the names of the boats beside mine.
Okay.
It's a lot harder when the boats are gone.
Is it pink flamingo or pink brown flag?
Good memory.
I don't even know. Well, where are we? I don't recognize where we are.
So our slip is going to be on the right-hand side, Rob.
Oh yeah, hold on. We've got to like go in between. That's what's up.
Between two boats with blue sail covers.
Okay, let's do the very dangerous position.
You don't have to do anything going in there. And I got it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have that path. Well, we'll go get the man and then we'll drive down here first.
I went to Country Lounge. It's really weird.
And Hugh's ready to throw me a line.
Not me. And
Hugh. Hugh is the guy standing on the dock. Yeah, who's going to do it?
there's some whole party for it.
Good morning, sir.
We gotta stop now.
There was no mutiny. They didn't throw you overboard, so that's pretty good.
You have an opportunity. There. No worries. All right.
What's that, Dennis?
Yeah, we need you for the other part. We've seen how Storm keepers. Oh, Veronica's saying she could have driven.
You're just about there.
Is she anchoring?
Let's listen to those screamings. Oh my god, that's a horrible remake.
No, but like the box is so
Box
good, man.
is a really good song, but the remake is really good.
Was it like just released today? Like when was this remake released?
No, this is an ad.
Let's play some landslide here.
To my love, climbed the mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection, snow covered hills, till the landslide began. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can it shine within my heart like can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I
Landslide.
season
I thought so.
It's so clear with that. This thing's really good.
Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I live my life around you. But time ain't golden, children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh
multiplier.